Hi everybody, Jesse Jackhammer here, and welcome to this ladder match. It's Jesse Jackhammer versus Blaise McCoy at the JWE Arena. Gonna be a barn burner, folks. DDT! Blaise is down. Jesse Jackhammer now. Outside the ring. Grabbing the ladder. Put the ladder into the ring. Picks up the ladder. Sets it up. Starts climbing the ladder. Reaches for the briefcase. One notch. Two notches. Oh, he only has two notches. Jesse Jackhammer knocking Blaise down on his back. Oh, one more notch. Oh, electric teardrop. Jesse Jackhammer now. Oh, look out. DDT! DDT, Blaise McCoy. Jesse Jackhammer now. Oh, Blaise over. Spill. Oh, tried to spill him to the outside. Oh, missed. Blaise missed. Jesse Jackhammer now throws Blaise over. Spills him to the outside. Jesse Jackhammer now picks up the ladder. Sets it up again. He's climbing up. He's one more notch away from winning. And he's done it. Here's your winner, Jesse Jackhammer. Bye for now.